Road. Road.
You're the trainees of the tour guide in the 100 Islands.
Obviously. Hello po. Mga future.
Can you tell us about the geological history of the national park?
Yan.
Based on my research, sir, it was
Yeah, kaya mo yan, te. Kaya mo yan, te.
sir, kasi nadidistract ko kasi salita din po sila, sir. Nasa isip lang sa
Kayo magpapadistract sa mga turista yung mga inay.
It forms